Don't you guys hate when you're driving somewhere and you just have everything just like cluttered, things are flying in the back seat, you hear things, chains rattling? Like, I hate that. I love storing my stuff properly, tying down my gear. And you know, when you're a run-and-gun photographer or filmmaker, you want convenience, but also the proper measures for, like, you know, weatherproof. You can lock it, etc., etc. And I've always had that issue. Specifically today, we're looking at Pelican's new line of cases, which is their cargo series. And I have two of them with you right now. They're the Cargo BX85S, the Cargo BX140R. They're lockable, they're weatherproof. You don't have to drill on the bottom of them to mount. They come with their own mounting system, brackets, etc. They did a collaboration with Front Runner. I'm really excited about these. So let's go ahead and open them up and jump into them. Okay, so real quick, with every product, you know, with anything that first comes out, there's gonna be some issues or some things that they didn't get right quite the first time. And some of those things I wrote down on here, so I'm gonna go ahead and go down the list. And these are the things I notice and personally bug me, might not bug you. But so basically, the first things first, these cases get marked up easily. I lifted it onto the mount on top of my roof, and one of the hooks that hooks onto the hinge to lock down the case brushed up against it, and it just gashed my case. The regular Pelican cases do get marked up, but they don't go as deep. This is more of a thin plastic, and I'm assuming it's for to be more lightweight. I don't know how durable it is compared to your regular, you know, Pelican case, but that's one thing that I noticed. Another thing that I noticed was you need specific locks. The hole to where you put a lock into it is almost flushed with the rest of the case. So when I went into Lowe's, I saw different types of locks, and like for master lock, they grade them from like 1 to 10, or I don't know exact scale of their grade. They categorize them between, you know, weatherproof, cut resistant, and fireproof or something like that. But basically, there was a specific one for better weatherproof. These are gonna be outside, so you want, you know, the best weatherproof lock possible. But also, you know, I preferred to get steel, but this is stainless steel, so it's not as strong. It can be cut more easy. But the steel ones, the shackle part of the lock was taller, and therefore I couldn't fit the lock into the proper area because it was the hole to where you put the shackle in is flush with the case. And if they extended that hole a little bit more, it'd be compatible with way many more locks. Next on the list is, I think I kind of already mentioned this, but the plastic is super thin. So when you have the case open and you're in direct sunlight, you could see through the case. It's like kind of like translucent, which is kind of, I mean, it's thin plastic, so that means like it's more lightweight. But for me, I'd personally sacrifice the weight for more durability. And I'm not saying these aren't durable at all. They're Pelican, but my camera cases from Pelican are way more durable than these. Some of these cases are a little bit awkward to hold, and that's just because they're like longer or like they're wider, but the handles do help out a lot. The BX140R has handles on the side, and the BX85S has handles on the top, so that makes it more convenient. But the larger cases like the BX140R, I definitely recommend having, especially when you have it filled, having 2 people hold the case or pick it up or mount it. So when you open up the top of the case, there's pre-drilled holes, and I'm wondering if those have to do with, you know, if you could put gas shocks onto those, like the Roam cases. So in the regular Pelican cases, they have pre-drilled holes as well, and you can buy some sort of like netting and an organizer to put on the lid of your case on the inside. So I'm hoping they announce those soon. That would be very convenient. All right, guys, that's about it. Pretty straightforward cargo cases. It's gonna help out a lot in your guys' interior. It's gonna remove a lot of clutter. No more stuff flying around when you're going, you know, to your next campsite or you're going to the next location for your shoot. You guys can lock these down, secure it. They are weatherproof. You don't have to drill. It's like the best thing in the world. I mean, at least for me, I've been looking for something like this for a while, and I've been holding off and trying to do my research on what the best investment will be for cases. And this is it, the Pelican cargo line. So if you guys found this video useful, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It's gonna help out a lot. Also, if you guys wanna learn more, you wanna know more, you want specific videos, subscribe, comment down below what you guys want. I'm going to pack up all this stuff because my camera's overheating. It's like 90 degrees out in Southern California. I don't know how or why, but it is. So I'm gonna pack all this stuff up, put my cargo cases up. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.